So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Thank you all for attending today's conference, The Applications of Telemedicine in the Age of COVID-19 and Beyond. On behalf of QMSA, Whale Cornell Medicine in Qatar, and Ember, we're happy to launch our first telemedicine conference in the region. I'd like to take a moment to thank all those involved in organizing today's event. The organizing committee, led by Toa Afifi, Sharia Rana, Yusra Majdi, and Fatima Al-Wahshi, as well as our panel of expert speakers who helped make today a reality. As I mentioned earlier, this event is a collaboration between the Qatar Medical Student Association, a platform uniting and empowering medical students in Qatar, as well as Ember, the all-in-one healthcare app connecting physicians with patients via telemedicine in the Middle East and beyond. The goal of today's conference is to discuss the practical applications of telemedicine in a variety of different specialties, including its barriers, its limitations, and the potential solutions. Some final points before we proceed. If you're using social media or would post about the conference, please use the hashtag TelemedMena, MENA. The hashtag will be repeated again in one of the slides by our speakers when tweeting or posting about the conference. We would love to see and hear from you. Attendees' cameras and mics will be turned off and muted, but we welcome questions to the Q&A feature. Please type any questions you may have at the Q&A found at the bottom of the Zoom window, and our moderator will review and ask the most common questions after every talk. We will try to take as many questions as possible, but we may be unable to address all the questions depending on the volume. You should have also received an anonymous pre-survey yesterday, and we request that you take a few minutes to complete it, as it would help assess our event. A follow-up post-survey will be shared soon after the conference as well. It would mean a lot if you were able to take that one as well. Please note that today's sessions will be recorded, and some portions will be available at a later date. And now, without further ado, allow me to introduce to Afifi, who will be moderating the rest of today's conference. Thank you for joining us.